Marques, the writer. Some of you are looking for a better way of living. You are looking for financial freedom and to be able to live on your own terms. You have decided to embark upon the path of entrepreneurship, and I commend you very heavily for that. Entrepreneurship is not an easy path by any means, but if you want it with all of your heart, you can and you will succeed. The key is you have to want it more than you want to have fun. You have to want it for a reason other than just to look cool. You have to want it with every inch of your heart and with every inch of your soul. I'm on the quest to educate and inspire others to succeed in business and in life. That is the entrepreneurial way. A wise Chinese guru once said that when a student is ready, the teacher will appear. I'm going to say it again because I don't think you really heard me. When the student is ready, the teacher will appear. If you want to grow in life, if you want to grow in business, you have to have a mind that is receptive to learning. I can speak wisdom to you until I'm pale in the face, but if you already think that you know everything, it won't be of any use for you because your mind is closed. The student isn't ready, so even though the teacher is in plain sight, to this person, the teacher isn't visible. I can encourage you until I'm pale in the face. I can release tons of books, but if you would rather be a victim instead of an achiever, I won't be of any use to you. The student isn't ready, so even though the teacher is in plain sight, to this person, the teacher isn't visible. The Entrepreneurial Ways movement is here to help those students who are eager to learn. We are here to motivate those students who are ready to propel to the next level. We are here to pray for the students who realize that they are nothing without God. When a student is ready to truly get to that next level in life, they will see me appear. They will hear the anointed words that God speaks to me to teach you. These aren't my words. I'm the mouthpiece of God. I'm here to teach you how to succeed in your business, your relationship, your job, your family, whatever it is that you're trying to do. I'm here to help you succeed. When a student is ready to get to that next level in life, they will realize that I've been here for a very long time. They will realize that they didn't see me because as a student, they weren't ready for the teacher to appear. In 2001, there were students that were ready. Therefore, I appeared and taught them the significance of a dream and the mindset needed to be great through my book entitled The Man Who Dared to Dream. In 2008, there were students that were ready. Therefore, I appeared and taught them how to obtain media coverage for their business. I showed them how to position themselves for stardom through my book entitled The Musician's Manual to Effective Media Coverage. In 2010, there were students that were ready. Therefore, I appeared and taught them the ways of God through my Christian blog. There were only a few students, but they were ready, so I appeared. When the student is ready, the teacher will appear. In 2017, there were students that were ready to understand how the spiritual world influences our everyday lives. And because they were ready, I appeared through a book that explained that in depth. The following year, I came right back to those students. I saw that they were hungry and thirsty for spiritual knowledge, so I taught them the most common lies that are told by the devil. I taught them how to avoid its pitfalls through a book entitled Satan's Lies Exposed. The students were ready, so the teacher appeared. That same year, I noticed that many of these students were parents and some were kids, but both groups of students were ready to gain true wisdom about life. So I taught them 56 lessons that are imperative for teenagers. These students were ready, so I appeared through a book called 56 Life Lessons for Teens. If you aren't ready, you will not buy that business book. You will not buy that motivational book or listen to my wisdom speeches, nor the messages of any other teachers. The teacher will appear when and only when the student is ready. If you aren't ready to learn, if you aren't ready to elevate, you won't see the teacher, even though we are in plain sight. To become a successful entrepreneur, you will need to have different systems in place. You will need to have one that consists of faith, motivation, and a continuous stream of education. That's what the Entrepreneurial Ways movement is all about. What kind of student are you? Are you ready, or are you out here playing? If you want the teacher to appear, you first have to be open and receptive to learning. When the student is ready, the teacher will appear. God bless you.